Attention all preppers, adventurers, and outdoor enthusiasts. Are you ready to gear up for your next big challenge? I've got something special for you, a chance to win the 3-in-1 Survivor Series tool. This compact all-in-one survival tool is the perfect addition to your emergency kit, camping gear, or hiking pack. Whether you're navigating the wilderness or preparing for the unexpected, this tool is designed to keep you ready. Here's what makes it a must-have. Flint rod and striker bar. Easily create sparks to start a fire when you need it most. Compass. Find your direction and stay on the right path. FDA-approved whistle. Loud and clear. It's built into the handle to help you signal for help in emergencies. It's lightweight, pocket-sized, and designed with a high visibility color so you'll never misplace it. Now here's how you can get your hands on this essential survival tool for free. To enter the giveaway, follow these 3 simple steps. Subscribe to my YouTube channel. 2. Leave a comment on this video that includes the words "Survival Ready." 3. Tag 2 friends in your comment to spread the word. It's that easy. You can only enter once, so make sure to follow all the steps for your chance to win. If you're as excited as I am about this giveaway, hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and share this video with someone who loves adventure. Full giveaway details are in the description below. Good luck to everyone entering. Remember, when you're prepared, you're never scared. See you in the next video.